All right, Golden Gate Bridge off our bucket list. So next is we're gonna go eat at
Boudin Bakery.
Boudin Bakery. So I think she says soups and stuff like that. So
Soups and bread bowls, and then we're gonna eat at Ghirardelli and get some ice cream.
ooh, sounds good. I probably don't need it, but you know what? We're gonna go ahead and treat ourselves since we're here, and why not? Very compact parking lot, so bring your A game when you come to park. So next up, Boudin, Ghirardelli's, and Fisherman's Wharf. Boudin?
Boudin.
Boudin, not Boudin. Wow, Alcatraz is right in front of us. Boudin's. Check it out, Bryson. Oh boy.
They're eliminated straws.
All right, Boudin, let me go ahead and show you guys what we got in the prices. So we got 2 chili and beef, what are these called?
Beef chili bread bowls.
2 beef chili bread bowls and 2 Cokes, and that costs you $27.52. So $9.79 per bowl and then $5.78 per soda. And like Heather just said, they eliminated the straws, so now we gotta drink like it's coffee. But let me show you guys what we got. So there's a little bread bowl, and then notice the no straw. How do you like it? Did you try it yet?
It's good.
It's good?
I'm hungry.
Is it worth it?
Yeah.
What about you? You got your bread? He loves his bread, so I'm gonna go ahead and chow down, and then here goes our receipts. Did you get it? Alright, we're gonna go ahead and chow down and then walk around Fisherman's Wharf, right? And Pier 39. For as good as this is, it's not $17 good in my own opinion, so that's what we would have been paying. We had to sit upstairs and eat, so we're down here at $10, a little more reasonable. It is pretty good, but I would have paid $17 personally. Gave us the peace sign. All right, belly's full, ready to hit up Pier 39. Let's go check out the sea lions. Let's do it. Let's do it. Huh? Bryson, where are we at?
That's obviously here. That's not here. Look at here.
Oh, this is not here. you can take the gloves and I follow you.
I don't want your sweaty gloves.
Yes. Dead end?
Yeah.
Dead end. Wait, slow down. I can't tell. Did you walk straight? Dude, what's going on, bro? Huh? Are we lost? Which one's the real Bryson?
Where's Bryson?
Who's the real Bryson? Where's Dada? Where's Dada? Where's Dada?
Where's Mommy?
Where's Mama? All confused. Alright, all playing around. It's time to get out of here, but kind of hard to do. Alright, we made it out of there. That was...
Ever want to do that again?
That was her first ever mirror maze. Whoa. Exposure. And that was my second one ever. I did one when I was a little kid, a little fair, and kind of traumatized me, but that's a lot more better of an atmosphere. Say, what's the rush? Next stop, dessert at Ghirardelli.
Ghirardelli.
Ghirardelli. Right up the hill. What'd you get?
I got a single scoop of burrito. That looks like more than a single scoop.
I think they hooked you up for being late.
They brought mine and then she took the number and walked away. And I said, oh, the shake's still missing.
So something they should keep in mind when buying down here is what?
Is that you get charged a 4% San Francisco health tax. And I guess it's for healthcare purposes.
All done? Yummy. Yeah, the cornhole on the side. And ready to go to the hotel. My feet are killing me. And that validation did not count for much because even with the validation we still had to pay $29, which is kind of outrageous if you ask me.
How much parking?
Guess.
Why are you laughing at
Guess
me?
how much parking was?
$10?
No.
20?
No.
25?
$29. That's
Are
with
you
the validation. Yeah. So I think what happens is it catches people off guard because like Heather just said, it was like $5 for the first 2 hours and then that's basically all you really read and you drive through. But yeah, $29, that kind of hurts the pocket. A lot more than what we expected to pay for, but just so you guys know. All right, Dad, I give it to you. You totally understand how you got road rage because it's crazy out here. That's for sure. A lot of weird one-ways, trolley lanes, tight spaces, bumpy roads. So this lane literally just split from where we were. Crazy, huh? That's what I'm talking about. That's where it splits. Weird.